Welcome to day 6 of 30 days Excel challenge. Today we are going to deal with some different concept. This concept is called as looking ups. So what does it mean by looking up? Suppose imagine we are having two sample data here, two different tables we are having. I have just taken this small kind of sample just to show you how powerful is the lookup, how everything happens with the lookup formula. To show that, I have taken a simple data set here. As you can see, it consists of, the first table consists of only two columns. The first column is an item column, the second column is a price column. As you can see, orange, mango, grape, banana, all these are items. So these items are getting sold at this price. Suppose I just wanted to know what quantity these prices at what quantity these items are getting sold in the market. Suppose I wanted to arrive at a selling price or sales value, then two things I need. First thing is quantity sold, second thing is selling price per unit, right? If both of these are multiplied together, then I get something called as selling price. Now in order to calculate selling price in this table, I just need quantity sold, which is in this table, which is in the second table. So since the data is pretty small, I can just create another column with the name quantity. So I can manually copy paste. See, orange. The quantity sold for orange is 120. So I can manually write it. But see, if the data is too long, if the data consists of number of rows, then it is very difficult for manually copy pasting the data. So at that time we can use few formulas here. Those formulas are called as lookup functions. So there are many lookup functions. There is xlookup is there, vlookup is there, hlookup is there. So among all these things, I prefer using xlookup because this is the latest formula. This is the latest development in Excel. You can even do this by index match functioning too, but I prefer using xlookup functions. So let us see how does this formula help us. So you can write xlookup. You can open the braces. Then lookup value. What does it mean by lookup value? Lookup value means what value you want to. Suppose I wanted to search this table, second table, by orange, and I wanted to get the corresponding quantity sold to first table. So did you get my point? I just wanted to search by I wanted to search the second table with the name of orange here. I wanted to get the corresponding quantity sold into this table. This is what I want. So lookup value here is orange. You can give a comma here. Lookup array. I just want orange to be searched in this column, comma. The next thing is return array. So you want quantity sold to be returned, right? You want the corresponding quantity sold relating to the item orange, right? So you can select this thing. So this is the formula. I'll explain it once again. So this is how the formula works. Type xlookup. Open the braces. I want this, comma, to be searched in this, comma. I want finally these values, these corresponding values. So the formula is pretty simple. I want this to be looked in this column. Then I want finally the corresponding value, this quantity sold. So this is what I have written here. I want orange to be searched in this column, item column, from the second table, and I want the corresponding quantity sold as a final result. This is what I have expressed it. So as you can see, it gave me. Suppose imagine the table is very large table. It contains something around 100 to 200 rows. Let us see at the time how can we proceed with the xlookup function. So imagine this is our sales table which we are using for everyday analysis. So this is the sales table. Suppose the company has come up with a plan, like for different kinds of products, company has announced different kinds of discount rates. So as you can see here, this is a table entirely dedicated for the discount rates. As you can see, hair dryer is given 10% discount, printer is given 5% discount, refrigerator is given 5% discount. Now see the volume of this data. This is pretty much large data. As you can scroll down, this table contains 1000 entries, so it is very difficult for manually entering. So hair dryer is there, so what is the discount rate applicable to the hair dryer? So it is very much difficult for us to manually enter. So what we can do is we can just create a column in the name of discount percentage. So here we can write xlookup function and we can get that data from this table, get this percentage data, get this discount from this table to this table by using this product column as a link, because this is the common column, right? This product column is there here, at the same time this product column is there here too, so we can do that. Excuse me. So I'm just writing the formula xlookup, open the braces. So the thing is pretty simple here. I just want this to be searched in this column, comma, finally I want these items to be printed in my column. So I got my answer. See, as you can see. So once again I write for you. I'll write this formula. As you can see, say xlookup is pretty simple. Write xlookup, press the tab key. I want this thing, comma, to be searched in this column. So then what it will do is it will take the word hair dryer, it will search it in the product column of the second table, then it will return the corresponding discount value. So the final thing is return array, means I want this to be returned as a final result. So this is what we have done. So such a simple technique it is. We can grab any kind of data from two different tables, we can merge them. So I'll tell you some advanced techniques relating to this xlookup when in the further sessions of our discussion. And while we are discussing the Power Query, I'll also tell you how can you merge two tables and how can you append two tables, so that you can have a good grip on merging two tables and appending two tables. So even if you did not get this xlookup also, don't worry, I am there, because I will, while discussing Power Query, you can actually learn how this thing works. So thank you very much. Have a great day.